this video, we're going to show you how to publish a PcVue project in a web client. This is done in 3 simple steps. The first step is to configure and deploy the web server. The second step is to create the PcVue project. And the third step is to enjoy the web client. So let's start with the first step. We use here the web deployment console, which is a tool coming with PcVue and allowing to configure and deploy the web and mobile server. As you can see, this is a very simple interface, and the only thing you have to do is basically next, next, next. So let's start to deploy a new server. The name is VM-demo. And here we can select a quick setup as in this demo, or a custom setup. If you are an IT guy and you want more advanced settings, you can select this custom setup. In the demo, we click quick setup. Here, this is the name of the web server we're going to use for the web client. The host name, basically, this is the name of the local machine here in the demo, but it could be also an URL or a website. We need a certificate. This certificate is used for secure communication. We can create a new certificate, and for the demo, we're going to create a self-seen certificate. So this certificate is not the most secure one and is not recognized as a secure certificate, but at least it allows to use HTTPS secure connection. Here we go. We have now a self-seen certificate. We can have secure communication. Here we need to declare the backend. What we call the backend here is basically the PcVue project or the PcVue linked to the web server. This is the PcVue backend. We just add the name. And that's it. Here we select the role we gonna use. In our demo, we need WebView, so we select WebView, which is the web client for PcVue. Well, we're ready to deploy. Let's deploy. Okay, here it is. So the first step is now done. The second step is to create a PcVue project. The PcVue project can be created with the Quick Start project. The Quick Start project is a project coming with PcVue, allowing to create a nice project with predefined templates, menu templates. Here you have several styles, several themes, several highlight color, and many resolutions. And here you can test the configuration before generate your project. Here this is the industrial. Let's try the web. This one's not so bad, but a little dark, and I like the orange, so let's try this. Okay, I think we're good. As you can see here, by default, we can publish this on the web. It means that the project will be ready to use for publishing on the web. This is my project. Let's generate the project. Okay, the project is now created. Okay, let's run the project. My project. Okay, here we go. Now let's check in a web browser. Okay, the address is the name of the station / web client. As you can see here, the connection is not secure because we used a self-seen certificate. No problem. Just have to add an exception for this and it won't be displayed anymore. Okay, now let's enter the credential. By default, it's WebView, and obviously this is something you can change after. Here we go. This is our project. And as you can see, you can navigate to the Mimic. So now let's do a change in our PcVue project. Here, I'm going to insert an image, for example, this one. Okay, let's see in the web now. All right, it's synchronized with the PcVue. Now let's change with a new animated symbol, like a command. Okay, so here I can create a variable to animate this symbol. This is a command and an alarm. Okay, here we go. Now we have an animated symbol. Let's try it. Okay, I have an alarm. Okay, now I save this new mimic and let's check what we have in WebView. I have an alarm, and if I refresh the mimic, I should have my button here. Another cool feature is to be able to open a new tab and display another mimic in the web client. So I open a new tab, and with the same user session, I open another instance of the web client, and I display this mimic, and I can open another mimic like this one. So I have this mimic here and another one here. So this is very convenient for the operator. Well, this is it for this video. Thank you for watching us, and see you next time.